Barbados has some of the most plain-looking license plates in the entire world, and because I'm visiting the country for the first time in a couple days, I wanted to reimagine them with a little more personality, especially considering how many of their neighbors elsewhere in the Caribbean have adopted so-called graphic plates in recent years. So the first thing I had to do was get down the basic elements of the license plate, like the bolt holes and the registration number, which in Barbados are all coded by parish. But for the design of the license plate itself, I took a heavy dose of inspiration from the country's flag, which in my opinion is one of the most recognizable and coolest flags anywhere on Earth, with the iconic trident that's found in the middle of the flag going in the middle of the license plate as a sort of number separator. And then for the slogan at the bottom, which is a hallmark design element of license plates elsewhere in North America and the Caribbean, I went with Island in the Sun, which, based on my research, seems to be a little tourism tagline that's long been associated with the island. But the slogans are always the most challenging part when I do these redesigns, especially when it's a place that I've never been to myself, so if anyone watching this video in Barbados can suggest a better slogan, I'd love to hear it in the comments. My final step here is to add color, and once again we're drawing inspiration from the national flag, with blue towards the left and right sides of the plate and yellow in the middle. And I'm basing that on a sun that's either rising or setting over the ocean, depending on how you look at it. But my true last step is to sign it as an Ethan the License Plate Guy original, and that is my final design with all the symbolism explained. Historically, when I've redesigned license plates that are just plain black and white, like Texas or Western Cape in South Africa, that's when I've gotten the most pushback. But I'd love to hear what you think of my design, and if you're Barbadian and watching this video, I'd love to hear any recommendations for things to see, do, eat, or places to get license plates for my collection when I'm visiting your country next week.